I'm Trish Berouet with the VanderMyde team at Coldwell Banker. Today I'm here at our newest listing on Bayview Drive in Stumpney Point, a charming waterfront village just a short 35-minute drive to the beautiful Nags Head beaches, where absolute panoramic views and an unhurried pace create an inviting coastal sanctuary. This prime location offers a unique opportunity for a private pier, just perfect for water enthusiasts. Built in 2021 with meticulous attention to every detail, this luxury home awaits its new owner. Indoor living effortlessly blends with the outdoors, creating stunning water views from just about every room. Spacious bedrooms with ensuite features, a modern and unique chef's kitchen, and expansive living area are perfect for hosting family gatherings. Every detail has been thoughtfully crafted for your comfort and lifestyle. Don't miss the rare opportunity to own this extraordinary gem in the charming village of Stumpney Point. Call us to talk about how we can make ownership of this dream house a reality.